Hello and welcome to Crafting with Jane. I just thought I would come on because I was so impressed. I've just had a delivery of a magazine and a stamp that I've been wanting for a while, so I got it with the magazine. It's from a company called INDIGOBLU, and it is their boxed kit number 7, mixed media special number 7, and it's come by Royal Mail, which is fine. I know that a lot of my subscribers are worldwide and they do post out worldwide. So, you know, do have a look at them. I will put a link to their website, etc., in the description box down below, because I was just so impressed. I actually knew about INDIGOBLU probably 10 years ago. I went to a couple of craft shows and they had stands there and I bought the odd stamp from them. Very good value, red rubber, and just lovely. So anyway, I've opened this up and look, little thing of love hearts in there. How sweet is that to turn around and put something in their delivery just to say thank you. You know, that means a lot. I think that's absolutely lovely. Then there is a thank you for ordering from us. And there's a little booklet that has their website and inside, what have we got? We've got the fact that they are red rubber stamps made in the UK from top quality red rubber, cling mounted, ready to use, incredible detail. They have over 400 designs. With new ones added every month. They do paint, high pigment, no fillers, multi-surface paint. They do luscious, which are pots of mix of artist grade pigment micro and binder, no fillers, pigment powder. They do glorious UT, which is ultra thick embossing enamel. Interesting. 25mm pots. And they do various different classes and things like that. Obviously, those are only in the UK. And this is them. So they are a husband and wife couple. And they're based in Nottinghamshire. And their website is, let's bring that up so you can actually do a thing and go and have a look. www.indigoblu.com. So that's who they are, and I was watching some of their videos and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get this because I just absolutely loved the fact that it contains so much. This box is $14.99 in English money, and most of the magazines that you buy in the newsagents and things are $9.99, so it's more expensive than that, but it has lots in there. I've just literally opened the thing. I haven't gone into it at all, so I have no idea what we've got in there, but nice box, which shows you all of the papers in there. There's 3D projects, journal pages, gilding, gum focus, stamping spotlight, masculine cards, oh, that'd be interesting, mixed media creations. And in there you get an A4 stamp set with 18 stamps on, a 2-piece die set, a 4-in-1 stencil, and 98 limited edition stickers and 70 element paper pack. Well, for me, I was looking at that and I was thinking, well, that's crazy, isn't it? So let's have a look at it and see what the quality is. If it's anything like the stamp that I bought before, red rubber, I think is lovely for stamps. Now obviously in the magazine they're going to be photopolymer, so let's just get this out of the, I will probably keep them in the bag, I think, because it's a nice bag. And I will be doing some things with these because, you know, I think that I wanted to expand my horizons, as you know, and I think that this is going to do it perfectly, because they are right up my street and I think they've got a bit of everything. And, you know, I wanted to dip my toe in the water and see what they had. and bring you a review so that you can have a look and go, is this something for me or not? I've just got this. What have I got it stuck on? Oh, I tell you what, opening things out of packages for me is not very. It's just stuck on there because it's where they put the tape on to get the dye. You know how the dyes are always put on things. So let's take the first thing. Lovely stencil. I think that this is lovely. Now it's got all sorts of oh, I don't know what you call them, bubbles and things, but sort of little. I bring that up closer, you can see almost like explosion spots on there. Floral ones, and then a lovely sort of cross hatch one, and they are 6 by 6. So good size stencil and lots to work with. Really like that. So that's nice. There is, oh, these are the sticker sheets. So we have, let's bring those up so you can see. Happy with sending love, birthday wishes, lots and lots and lots. Bloom, create, inspire, live, laugh, love. A beautiful mindset, that's nice. You've got this. Beautiful you. Are they the same on the bottom? Happy birthday, yes they are. So the same top and bottom. Little butterflies and things on there. Yeah, just about anything. Get well, love. All sorts. So that's quite fun. I quite like the fact that you've got black on white and you've got white on black. So that works beautifully. So nice sticker sheet. These are the dies, and these are a double set of dies. So, oh yes, okay. So I'm just going to take these off. They always are quite difficult to take off, and I will probably have to use just a little bit of no, they've come off okay, that's fine. So you've got an outer and an inner, and they are, oh, they're pretty. Little leaves and things and florals. Turn it that way up. So I hope you can see this. Let me put it on a piece of white paper so you can see that. Okay, so you've got this lovely sort of floral. Now that will actually cut it into the card, so you don't have to have it, you can have it as a corner piece or something like that, which is quite nice. And then you've got this piece which will come over, and that will obviously cut the whole thing out. So that's a 2-in-1 sort of die. And as I say, all of these are included in the magazine. So I was just blown away by the value. I think sometimes, you know, you get a little bit blinkered when you just buy sort of one particular product. And so yeah, I'm really pleased. Now look at this. A4. We have got, I don't know how many, 18 or something on here. So let me just bring this up closer. You've got this one, which is like a sort of a trellis, but with sort of splotches and things in. So a nice sort of textured background. And then there's this one, which is lots of text. And I will read what it says. I will just get my magnifying glass out to see it. There is so much hope in a little flower. That's pretty. You don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Thank you. Happy birthday. Those are good stables. And what have we got down on here? Thinking of you. So basically anyone that you'd want. We've then got this, and this is big. This is a big size. This will go on a card base just completely, and then colour it in. Flowers. A little flower in a hexagon, which is quite nice, and another little flower, another flowers and things at the top, and then a little bird on a branch. So, you know, I'm sorry, I think that is such good value. Now, I've got my magnifying glass to see what it says. It says on here, a new study using sophisticated developments. Let's start. So it's nice sort of little bits of words in there, but also slightly taken out as well. I love word ones, as you know. I'm always using word ones. So, oh, there was another one I missed. Live life in full bloom. So I think that I mean, you know, you've got all of these, and look at these ones. There's so much on here. I miss pieces. Look at this one with the little bring that up so you can see that one. Can you see it? Is it coming? Sometimes you have to get it on there and you can see it's got little like seed pods on there on the top, which I think is lovely. So yes, beautiful. Really impressed with that. And then in the center of the magazine, I'm not going to go through the whole magazine, but in the center of the magazine you've got lots of papers. So reasonable thickness. They're not thin. If you think let me show you so a page of the magazine is, I don't even know if I've got one or two here. I've got two there. So page of a magazine is obviously quite flimsy. These are like thin cardstock. So you've got lovely sort of centre pieces in here, strips. Again, lovely centres. So you've got double-sided, which is good. Little bits to do on corners. Those are pretty. Cut those in half and put those in there. Oh, nice mustard colour on there. Look at that. I got it on there so you can see it. Look at the mustard colour on there. Love that. Nice blue, real turquoisey blue. And again, this one is fun because you've got just sort of words at the side. Oh, this one has got the little bird in it. So it's picking up the birds and the flowers, which is quite nice. So that's the same bird as this one, isn't it? Look, that's the little bird and that's the paper that matches up, plus with some of the flowers. So that's good. You could use that quite nicely. Again, that's got some of the words in on here. Live life in full bloom. And that's sort of a pinky one. Again, lovely sort of ombre sort of look to it, and it's got the birds in. That's got the flowers in. Oh, lovely. So the papers match. That's a nice blue. Look at that colour on there. Hope it's coming out okay. Love that one. That's nice. Nice sort of neutral colours on there. Those again, look at those little birds. They're beautiful. You could just cut one of those birds out and put that on a birthday card. They look lovely. That's a sort of a lilac-y colour. And then you've got these. Now, are these the same as the ones at the front? Let me have a look. Yes, they are. So you get two of those, I think, because you get, that's the same as the front one. And that's the same as the back one. So you get two of those, which is good. Oh, look, there's even more. I can't believe how many papers you're getting in here. Look at this. So you get two lots of them. So these are the same all again. So you get two of them. Absolutely amazing. So all of those papers you get. And then you get all of these things of how to do and how to make, which, as I say, I'm not going to go through them all because these are things that I will use for inspiration. But look, see how nicely they put it in here, because they actually tell you step by step, and they tell you in there what you actually need and what they've used each part, which is good. You know, so you can actually literally follow along or just use them for inspiration. But yes, I'm incredibly impressed with these. I think for £14.99, £15 basically, bar a penny. Just incredible, absolutely incredible. So I'm very impressed. And I did get a stamp as well, because I don't know whether, I think most of you know, I absolutely love hares. Moon gazing hares I think are just beautiful, and I collect lots of hares because I live near some fields and parks and things like that I walk my dog every day, and I quite often see the hares. And this says, always remember we are under the same sky looking at the moon. I think that's beautiful, with all of the little leaves to sort of colour in and work. And this is the red rubber, so it is I'm just going to see if I can open it from the bottom so you can just see the very thick and very good, looks very good quality. So that's the yes, very, very thick, nicely already cut out and everything ready to go, and you know, good size as well. So, and I can't remember how much that one was, but it was certainly very good value for money, shall we say. And the fact that they are in the UK and they are a British local company, and they are a family run, so it's a husband and wife team, I thought, you know what, I'm going to come on, give them a review, say how incredibly pleased with the love hearts. I think that little touch is just beautiful, and to thank them for this. And you will be seeing me using these quite a bit over the coming weeks. So thank you so much for watching me. As always, please stay safe and well. Please be kind, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.